Welcome to DIY Saturday. Today I'm going to show you an easy project to use in your kitchen. To make this clean, dirty dishwasher sign, you need Scrabble tiles or bananagrams to spell clean and dirty, an adhesive magnet sheet, E6000 glue, and a pair of scissors. Lay out your tiles and trim down your magnetic adhesive sheet to size. I added some glue and placed the letters on the adhesive sheet and pressed firmly. I also added a little E6000 on the side of the tiles to keep them in place. Make sure that the word dirty is placed on upside down so that the sign is correct when rotated. This should work well in your kitchen and help answer those nagging questions of, are these dishes clean or dirty? Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.